gonna show you how we cut some denim jeans into some jorts. What's up guys, it's your boy Moody and I'm here with Thrift Vintage Fashion. Today I'm gonna show you what we do with the jeans that don't qualify for wholesale mixes, either because they're stained, they're cut up, they're beat up. So since we don't want to sell them and put them in any orders for anybody, first I'm gonna show you some examples of what they look like. So this is a perfect example right here. This has like some oil stains around the thigh area. And we do wash all our jeans. If we see that the stains don't come off, then we put them in this big bin. This is another pair. A good reasoning for these to be cut up is the bottom hem here is all cut off and ripped up. So this is a good example of a pair that we would want to cut up. We would probably leave like 3-4 inches of inseam, and people love it, especially now for the summer. This is a must-have. Perfectly great denim jorts to have in your store or for your own resale purposes. And this is what they turn out to look like. So first, we want to get them flat, as flat as you can. Take out all the wrinkles. Second, you take out the pockets so that you don't accidentally cut any of the pockets open. That would kind of suck. Then I use this cardboard. I have it measured 2 and 4 inches. Usually the smaller jeans, I like to cut them anywhere between 2 and 2.5 inches. Bigger sizes, I'll usually do 4, 4.5. And I place it right here at the edge. Line it up. So boom, right after you cut them, you want to fray them as fast as you can because they actually fray better once they're done cut, as soon as they're done being cut. So I hit them up just like this. I get both sides. You do both sides at the same time. Boom, it's starting to look good already. And there you have it. In less than 2 minutes, a nice pair of denim jorts. So this is another perfect example that we frayed. This really helps us maximize the value of our jeans. As you can see, we have a whole bin filled with them. And you know, we try to minimize as much waste as possible here at Thrift Vintage Fashion. And again, if you guys like these shorts that we make, you can order them wholesale at thriftvintagefashion.com.